Good day, ladies and gentlemen of the press. Bedford Benjamin Comrade, privileged to be the spokesman of the Ijaw Council. Today, indeed, the political drum has come to its peak in Bayelsa State. And as council, it is our sole aim and purpose to ensure that there is peace in the electoral processes in Bayelsa State. Bayelsa is the only homogeneous Ijaw state that we have as Ijaw people, and therefore it must be indeed a litmus test for progress, a litmus test for peace, and a litmus test for rapid development. Over the years, Bayelsa has been characterized as a volatile state, particularly when it comes to political season, where there are reactions and counter-reactions. I'm aware of the gimmicks and the preparedness of all political parties, to wrestle for the topmost position, political position in the states. We are aware that a few days ago, the peace accord was signed, but we know that politics is beyond the signature of peace accord. Last electoral processes, peace accords were signed. But we go here and we could see the level of violence, attacks and counter-attacks in the political space at that time. This is the only just state we have. And therefore, as council, we admonish all political players, we admonish all gubernatorial candidates to indeed play by the rules. Because a life lost in this election is a generation of Ijaw that is taken out from us. We want peace. We advocate for peace in this election. Every candidate that scaled through primaries and are flag bearers of their various political parties are all Ijaw sons and daughters. We cannot allow politics to divide us at this point in time. Yes, of course, politics is a game of interest. As much as you are protecting and projecting your interests, don't do that at the detriment of the collective efforts, of the collectiveness of the Ijaw nation. As council, we are going to resist every form of foul play by any political party to indeed curry favor to themselves by maiming and killing or destroying properties in Bayelsa. As council, we are the nooks and crannies in the creeks and in the upland. Our people are everywhere, and we are keenly monitoring this election. We are aware that some political parties have stockpiled weapons, are even bringing foreigners on Delta states and neighboring states to indeed cause mayhem in the states. As council, we are not going to condone that. Any political party that wants to emerge as governor, any candidate that wants to emerge as governor to the detriment of any life in Bayelsa State, we are not going to be part of that. Bayelsans, we admonish you that indeed on the 11th day, which is on Saturday, in few hours from now, less than 72 hours from now, the election processes will be done and over with. We ensure, we are admonished that indeed go and cast your votes peacefully and protect the integrity of your votes. Protect it with every fiber of your being. Don't allow any form of intimidation at any level. Vote, cast your votes, and protect your votes. We want to say unequivocally, we want to say without fear or favor, that indeed Bayelsans should vote for a unifier, for a true Ijaw man that represents the Ijaw identity, and not a candidate that will further divide us. We want someone that is patriotic. We want a governor that has Ijaw intention first, that desires the progress of the Ijaw nation. That is whom we want. As much as we admonish that you vote your conscience, we also advise that you cast your votes for the man or for that candidate that has Ijaw at heart, that is not carried away by lies and manipulation of individuals, but is passionate about the collective progress of the Ijaw nation. That is the man that you should vote into the position of power.